one walking, never looking back. In the fast lane, no time to slack. Heaven's playing, got me on this track. Feeling blessed with every stack. Know that I'm me, I'm stable lit. Living life, no fear, no dread. Chasing dreams while they're in bed. Holy word breeze, like I said. I'm on one saved by the king. Watch me rise here to heaven sing. God his light, I'm never dim. Praise his name, no shadow grim. On this journey, never lost. Got my Bible, it's a holy cause. Demons running to the outbox. In my heaven cat with the spirit is off. No worldly treasure, treasure's grace. I'm following his path, picking up my pace. Shout his name from place to place. In this race, by faith I chase. In his arms, I'm truly safe. Saved by Christ, feel his embrace. With every step, I'm lifting praise. In this light, I'll always blaze. In this spirit, I find my might. Truth and love in the fight. Load the word, take and might. In his glory, I see the light. With faith is my shield, I stand tall. Enemies fall when his name I call. No fear of me by his grace and thrall. His power reign left, answer the call. In his arms, I'm truly safe. Saved by Christ, feel his embrace. With every step, I'm lifting praise. In this light, I'll always blaze. Fingers on the trigger, but it's only fire. Stretch my rise up to high. Cast in darkness in his last fight. Through the night, his light, my desire tight. I don't need steel, got my armor and rhymes. Songs on my heart, breaking darkness and lines. Every page flip is a battle won. With the holy text, I'm never outgunned. Reload with verse, my faith goes ascend. Each revelation put devils in check. Time to get saved with the battles in the air. In this spiritual warfare, find your armor in prayer. Pick up that Bible, let his word be your guide. With Jesus Christ, King of Kings, stand by his side.